Hey, Quiz Universe fam. Welcome back. Are you ready for today's epic Choose Your Gift challenge? Dive into this fun showdown where you'll pick between rainbow, gold, or black gift options. I have set up 25 wild choices for you to explore with only 8 seconds to lock in your pick for each round. Hit that subscribe button, buckle up, and let's dive into this gift adventure together. All right, let's kick things off. Pick your gift, rainbow, gold, or black. What's catching your eye? Choose a gift that vibes with you. Which one of these looks like it's calling your name? Feeling the rainbow, gold, or black vibes? Challenge alert. Pick a rainbow gift. Hit subscribe. Going for gold? Smash that like. Loving black? Drop your B-Day in the comments. Which gift box is drawing you in? Love any of these? If you could have any, which one? Round 10. It's gift time. Spot any goodies you'd love to unwrap. Let's go again. Rainbow, gold, or black. Pick your fave out of these cool choices. And we're back with more. See anything you like? Any of these calling your name? Top gift pick? One gift, one choice. What'll it be? The classic lineup: rainbow, gold, or black. Go ahead, pick the gift that's got your name on it. The gift of your dreams awaits! Which one's the ultimate? One more rainbow, gold, black showdown. Time to make your final gift choice. Which gift do you want the most? Last chance, make it count. That's a wrap on today's gift-picking adventure. Which one was your fave? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you loved today's challenge, hit subscribe and keep up with our latest quizzes and fun games. Can't wait to see you in the next one. Stay awesome, Quiz Universe fam!